You've got questions, we've got answers. In today's Norton Antivirus review, we're going to kick off our 100th antivirus video at Cyber News by answering the most popular questions on Google. Ready? Let's see what everyone has been asking. All right, first question, is Norton Antivirus good? The answer to this is yes, and it's been proven time and time again with Norton's history of near-perfect testing results. These tests are conducted by experts every couple of months to ensure the antivirus is consistently performing up to par. They thoroughly inspect three categories: performance, usability, and protection. In February, Norton scored a perfect 6 out of 6 in all three categories. Then in April, the performance and usability scores only dropped a bit. And not only was it able to detect 100% of zero-day threats, but also didn't impact my device's speeds much in the process. Question number 2. Can Norton remove viruses? As I mentioned in the first part of this Norton review, experts have mountains of evidence this app can wipe malware from your device. But here at Cyber News, we like to see the proof up close and personal. So our research team ran some tests of our own. In previous testing, we planted 10 malicious files onto a device to see how many the antivirus was able to detect. Well, we still did that, except this time, instead of 10, we planted 150 malicious files. If you couldn't already tell, this is the stuff we live for here at Cyber News. The full scan itself only took around 8 minutes, and Norton Antivirus was able to detect 89% of the malware we downloaded, plus 76% of threats using real-time protection. To show you how notable these numbers really are, let's compare this Norton test to a Windows Defender test we performed not long ago. As you can see, the latter antivirus wasn't able to detect 1% of malware with the full scan, and real-time protection wasn't much better, finding only 26%. If you're looking for robust protection from malware, then Norton is the way to go. All right, next question. Does Norton slow down your PC? This is a great question since antivirus scans and background activity put a lot of strain on your device. But there are not many providers that explain just how much this will slow your device down. Again, to answer this question with an accurate statistic, we had to do some testing. In general, the CPU usage with Norton's full scan was around 30 to 55% for most of the duration, with the exception of briefly spiking to 90 at one point, then returning to normal. Also, I found that just having the app and real-time protection working in the background really didn't affect my device's performance much. Just for comparison, I ran the same test on the Avira antivirus and found that it was really heavy on my CPU usage, ranging at around 92%. While this may not be a deal breaker for some, it's certainly not the most ideal option. Okay, question number 4 is one I bet a lot of you are curious about. Can Norton 360 stop hackers? Well, hackers have several different methods in which they can try to attack you, and an antivirus app offers the vital software needed to block these invasions. While no antivirus is a one-stop fix-all solution, Norton is able to stop hackers by acting as a defense mechanism against anyone who tries to infiltrate your device or collect personal data. Plus, the app comes with other security features that boost your protection even more. The first one of these features is a smart firewall. A standard firewall is a tool used to prevent outside attacks from happening via your internet connection. Norton's smart firewall, on the other hand, doubles the security by monitoring both your outgoing and incoming network traffic. I found that this particular firewall has more functionalities than other providers like Avira or Bitdefender. Plus, it comes with intrusion protection and even vulnerability assessment. Another feature included in Norton's plans is the PC cloud backup. Of course, this is a super convenient way to store all of your important media in one place, and you can easily access it from any device simply by logging into your account. But there are also ways that this can amplify your security against attackers as well. Ransomware is another method that hackers can use to access your information. This is when they remotely encrypt your data and essentially make it inaccessible to you until a ransom is paid. Yikes, I know. Having all of your personal media saved on cloud backup is a great way to defend against this, as you'll already have second copies safely stored in your account. If you're looking to boost your protection against threats with top-level security, then Norton offers a variety of flexible plans that include an array of security features. Dark web monitoring notifies users if their personal data has been leaked on the dark web. Safe Web and Safe Cam allow you to customize which sites you trust to have access to your webcam. making it that much harder for hackers to infiltrate your device. No matter which Norton subscription you choose, I've left an exclusive discount in the description, and with the QR code on screen, that'll help make those prices even cheaper. And if you're thinking of going with a premium plan, just know that it adds an extra layer of security to your network connection, thanks to its fully functioning VPN feature. This brings me to my next commonly asked question: is Norton 360 VPN any good? Well, a VPN works by hiding your IP address so no one is able to trace your location, identity, or online activity. Once you've turned on your VPN, it encrypts all of your data, meaning that hackers are unable to penetrate this protective bubble that's now around your device. This is especially useful if you're using public Wi-Fi, which is notoriously unsecure and can leave you vulnerable to attacks. And remember how I said earlier that hackers have several different methods they use when trying to attack someone? Well, the VPN can help prevent those from happening and overall helps you to stay as anonymous as possible online. If you'd like to grab the Norton Secure VPN package, then there are also a few other really helpful features that come with it. The ad blocker not only blocks annoying ads, banners, and pop-ups, but also protects against malicious content. The Wi-Fi security feature checks if a network is trustworthy and then automatically connects to the VPN if it's not. And if you'd like to customize which sites and apps you want the VPN routed through, then the split tunneling feature allows you to do just that. Lastly, as with any quality VPN, there's a kill switch that immediately disconnects you from your network if any VPN instability is detected. So, to come full circle and answer the question, yes, Norton VPN is very good. The only disadvantage I can say is that compared to a market standard option, Norton VPN has fewer locations to choose from. Other than that, this VPN is overall a great addition to one of the premium antivirus plans. Okay, moving on to question number 6. What are the disadvantages of using Norton Antivirus? For me, one of the first noticeable disadvantages is that the app's interface is a little confusing, especially if you're a beginner. The layout isn't very intuitive, and even just trying to customize my settings felt unnecessarily challenging. Functionality-wise, everything works great, but I would like to see improvement around the design. On that note, another disadvantage is that many of the features actually open up in a separate window outside of the app itself. So if I'm trying to access something like dark web monitoring or the parental controls, I'm now being redirected to web pages with more information. Now, is this the end of the world? No, but removing all of these cluttered tabs and opting for a more minimalist design would really elevate the experience of using this app. Just my 2 cents. All right, we've covered all of the important factors, which brings me to my next question: how much does Norton cost a year? Well, this provider is definitely on the affordable side, with its entry-level plan costing about as much as an Apple charging cable. Keep in mind that this tier only covers one of your devices and doesn't include the VPN or extra security features. If you're looking to get that coverage, then the standard plan does include those, plus 3 simultaneous devices. However, the best value is definitely the deluxe tier, which has everything I've already mentioned, plus a privacy monitor, parental controls, and coverage on 5 devices. And if you're one of those all or nothing kind of people when it comes to security, then the Select Plus LifeLock plan also gets you identity theft protection plus use on 10 devices. Regardless of which Norton Antivirus pricing tier you choose, using my Cyber News coupon in the description can help you get up to 58% off a plan. And my last question of the day ties right into this topic: how do I stop Norton from charging my credit card? Like many other services out there, Norton uses an automatic renewal system. So unless you cancel your subscription manually, it'll be renewed once the term is finished. And I will say in advance that the Norton 360 renewal prices are higher than the original subscription prices. But remember, you can always just cancel your plan before the expiration date and avoid those heightened prices. Now, I've covered a lot of questions today, but let me know in the comments if you have any more you'd like me to answer. I hope this Norton Antivirus review helped, and if you'd like to also watch a tutorial on this provider, then check out the video on screen too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.